Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Tony. Today is September 22nd, 2022. It is a very nice day here where I'm from. I am making some poles for my plants. I have an Epiprenum apple and also a Burrow Marx Fantasy that needs a pole to climb onto. I also going to put my Philodendron Jose Bono on a pole. I am going to make my own poles today with materials around my house. I have some PVC pipes as well as coconut husk and sponge gourd. I also have some zip tie and hot glued. What I'm going to do is very basic and would only take a couple of minutes. Well, I'm going to hot glue the coconut husk onto the PVC pipe, and then I am going to secure it with a zip tie on the top and a zip tie on the bottom. And if there's any gap, I can use the sponge gore to fill up the gap to kind of help the plant climb up the pole. So most of these materials, like I said before, are just around my house and doesn't cost me anything. Okay, so I have made my poles here. They don't look, aesthetically pleasing, but these plants will be outdoor for the next couple of months, so I don't mind that. I think coconut husk is a great material for plants to climb on. You can get coconut husk at your big box stores such as Lowe's, and they usually cost only $3 or $4. One coconut husk basket can make approximately 2 to 3 poles. I'm just showing you guys these two plants here. I got them recently. And here's little Ollie. He's outside today. He's watching me making the poles. He's such a good dog. I can't believe that he is 2 years old already. Time is just flying by. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and find it helpful. If you like content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more plant content. Again, this is Tony. Please take care of yourself and your plants.